RC Boat Components Overview. Remote Controller Guide. Open the battery compartment cover of the remote control and insert 2 AA alkaline batteries, not included, matching the polarity markings. Then close the battery cover. Twist the hatch knob to the left and lift the outer hatch lid. Unscrew the 4 compartment knobs and lift the inner hatch lids. Connect the charging cable to the battery and plug it into a power source. The USB port will show a red light while charging, which will turn off when fully charged. Once charged, reconnect the battery and the boat's wires. Insert the hatch lid, then twist the hatch knob to the right to secure it tightly. Turn on the remote control. The power indicator will blink. Then, place the boat in the water. Once the remote's power indicator stays on, it means the remote and boat are successfully paired. Move forward. Move backward. Turn right. Turn left. Short press this button to spray water, and press it again to stop. If the boat drifts while moving straight, manually adjust the rudder to correct the direction. It's normal for the boat to move slowly when reversing due to water resistance. You can find us on the packing box.